I mean, like, the stuff that they're doing, yeah, it's annoying. But is it going to kill me? No. No, their death magic is weak and it's all backfiring. God's telling me that people are going to start dropping like flies, and you're going to know exactly who's involved by the way that they look and what happens to them. I'm protected, I'm healthy, I'm wealthy, I'm safe, and I'm right where I need to be. The little piddly ass shit that they do, yeah, it's annoying and it would make a normal person lose their mind, but I'm not fucking normal. There's nothing normal about me. I was built for this. It is in my destiny to take down the Freemasons and the Eastern Stars and to free the slaves of this country and this world, and that's exactly what I'm doing. You guys aren't attacking me, you're attacking God, and I can't imagine being that fucking brain dead. I can't imagine being that brain dead. Or should I call you brainwashed? I don't really know what to call you. I don't really care. So like last night, I could feel all this negative energy coming at me, right? Constantly using their noise campaigns. They fucking smoke, they chain smoke cigarettes around me, right? There's no smoking in this building, but if you're a gang stalking piece of dog shit and you work for a pedophile ring, you could do whatever the fuck you want, right? So I lit a candle and I'm about to, whatever happens to all of these people, we're going to find out who's the fucking piece of shit, right? And constant noise campaigns. I live in an apartment complex with a bunch of crackheads that are just watching me on hidden cameras all night. So as soon as I lay down to go to sleep, they start fucking making a bunch of fucking racket. They sound like a bunch of fucking chickens with their heads cut off fighting over a biscuit. That's what these motherfuckers sound like, dude. It is absolutely pathetic. Is it going to kill me? No. Will I sit here and endure it to put them behind bars so they can't terrorize other people's lives? Yes. Yes, I will. So I can't listen to my music anymore. I have to do something else, right? As soon as I close my eyes, some fucking bonehead that comes from upstairs comes down here and knocks on my fucking door, says wrong door, but doesn't knock on any other door. World's dumbest fucking criminals, right? Is it gonna kill me? No. It's not. Do I know they're a bunch of fucking retard roundup but robots working for pedophiles? Yes. Yes, I do. Do I know that they're all about to go to prison? Yes, I do. It is very satisfying. All of this shit ain't gonna do shit to me. This is some weak shit. Weak! You're telling me that you got a whole group of organized crime going on here, and all you motherfuckers can do is flap your fucking gums, file some false police reports, and make some fucking noise? That's it?